Oliver, what the hell are you doing on my Earth?
Show off.
Jealous?
Nostalgic. Seems Adrian and I have the same design sense.
If by that you mean Felicity, yeah. But this is my bunker.
Chase?
He's one of the good guys. Literally.
And you're helping him in Star City.
Starling City, and he's helping me. We make a pretty good team, actually. Not that kind of a team. So how much small talk do I have to endure before you tell me what it is exactly you're doing on my Earth?
Yeah, it's a long story.
Why don't you start by telling me what you were doing on Lian Yu? You know, if you wanted to pretend to be back from the dead, you could have just showed up in town.
I wasn't given a choice. I was sent to your Earth, and I arrived on Lian Yu.
Sent? Sent by who?
You get him to tell you the truth yet, pretty bird?
And nothing but. Seems Mr. Queen survived the gambit and has spent the last 12 years on an island called Lian Yu.
That means purgatory, if I'm not mistaken. Still doesn't explain what you're doing running around in my hood.
I needed an identity to work under, and yours seemed convenient. Sorry.
What were you doing at Queen Merlin?
Not killing those scientists, if that's what you're implying.
Well, I'm using Laurel's equipment to compare the metallurgy of your arrows to the ones that we found on those men and women, so we'll see. Speak of the devil. Literally.
The Dark Archer? Name's a bit on the nose, but it's descriptive.
Dark costume, jade pendant. It's Malcolm Merlin.
You always thought so, too.
Rolling out months ago.
It's Malcolm Merlin. And he killed those scientists for a reason.